Muscle building and fat loss play essential roles in promoting overall health and fitness. Muscle building helps increase metabolic rate and improve body composition, leading to better strength, balance, and endurance. It also aids in preventing age-related muscle loss. On the other hand, fat loss, particularly reducing excess body fat, has significant benefits such as lowering the risk of chronic diseases, improving cardiovascular health, and enhancing physical appearance. By understanding the importance of both muscle building and fat loss, individuals can work towards achieving a balanced and sustainable approach to their fitness journey. Resistance training offers numerous benefits for both muscle building and fat loss. By engaging in resistance training, individuals can increase muscle mass, which in turn elevates their resting metabolic rate and contributes to greater calorie expenditure, supporting fat loss efforts. Additionally, resistance training stimulates muscle hypertrophy, the growth and increase in size of muscle cells, leading to improved metabolism. Muscle hypertrophy also enhances the body's ability to utilize glucose and fatty acids, further aiding in fat loss. Understanding these benefits underscores the importance of incorporating resistance training into a comprehensive fitness regimen for individuals aiming to achieve muscle building and fat loss goals. Nutrition plays a fundamental role in supporting both muscle building and fat loss. Protein, essential for muscle repair and growth, assists in preserving lean muscle mass during fat loss, while carbohydrates provide energy for workouts and aid in replenishing glycogen stores. Fats are vital for hormone production and overall health. Achieving a calorie balance, where calories consumed align with those expended, is crucial for controlling body weight. Additionally, maintaining appropriate macronutrient ratios, such as higher protein intake for muscle building and moderating carbohydrate and fat intake for fat loss, optimizes the body's composition. Understanding the significance of these nutrients and their balance is key to maximizing the effects of nutrition on muscle building and fat loss. For beginners, incorporating basic workout routines that target both muscle building and fat loss is essential. These routines typically involve a combination of resistance training and cardiovascular exercises to promote overall fitness. An emphasis on progressive overload, gradually increasing the intensity or resistance over time, is vital for stimulating muscle growth and adaptation. Moreover, ensuring proper form during exercises reduces the risk of injury and maximizes the effectiveness of each movement. By introducing beginners to these foundational workout strategies, they can establish a solid fitness framework and set the stage for sustainable progress in their muscle building and fat loss journey. Cardiovascular exercises play a crucial role in promoting fat loss and enhancing cardiovascular health. These exercises elevate heart rate, increasing calorie expenditure and aiding in fat burning. Additionally, they contribute to improved cardiovascular endurance and overall well-being. For beginners, various types of cardio workouts, including brisk walking, cycling, and swimming, offer low-impact options to start building cardiovascular fitness. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can also be introduced to boost fat-burning benefits. By understanding the significance of cardiovascular exercise and exploring suitable options for beginners, individuals can effectively incorporate these activities to support their fat loss goals and overall fitness. Rest and recovery are integral components of a comprehensive muscle building and fat loss strategy. Adequate rest allows the body to repair and grow muscles, optimizing the results of training. Quality sleep plays a vital role in hormone regulation and muscle recovery. In addition to passive rest, incorporating active recovery techniques such as stretching, yoga, and light aerobic exercises can alleviate muscle soreness and enhance circulation. Moreover, managing stress levels through mindfulness practices and relaxation techniques is essential, as excessive stress can hinder progress and impact overall well-being. By highlighting the significance of rest, sleep, active recovery, and stress management, individuals can optimize their efforts for achieving muscle building and fat loss goals.